Hi, good afternoon, my dear friends. A few years back, I was on search for some alternatives for WhatsApp. I just entered Google search engine and just typed alternatives for WhatsApp. Then I saw a traditional name, Telegram. Though it's a traditional name, it's a title of a modern Android app, a modern mobile phone app called Telegram. Beautiful name, which brings some nostalgic elements to your heart. Though it brings some nostalgic elements, it has got any sort of disadvantages regarded by moderns. It's a modern app. In some sense, is more useful than WhatsApp. Though Telegram hasn't become so popular as WhatsApp. This video is to show you how to install and use Telegram in your Android phone. Before telling about installing and using this wonderful app in your phone, I may bring to your attention some advantages of Telegram which you can enjoy in WhatsApp. As you know, in WhatsApp, we can add only 256 members in a particular group. But Telegram offers 2 lakh members in a particular group. That's something amazing. If you are the principal of an educational institution, and if there are thousands of students in that educational institution, you can just create one group, a single group for all the students and faculty members. So it offers 2 lakh members in a particular group. The second advantage, which you cannot enjoy in WhatsApp, is the size of file which you can send to your friend. In WhatsApp, you can send only a file of 16 MB. But in WhatsApp, you can send 1 GB, a file sized 1 GB at once. This is something wonderful. If you want to send a video of half an hour or 1 hour, you can send it. So it's especially something useful for teachers, because if you are handling an online class and if you have already created a video for half an hour, 45 minutes, it will be of 700 MB or 800 MB. You cannot send it by using WhatsApp, but you can send it by using Telegram. So it allows sending a file sized up to 1 GB. Another advantage is that you can create a channel. Not a single channel, you can create different channels on Telegram. And these channels can be seen on the desktop without installing Telegram app. You can send the link, you can send the URL of the channel to your friends, and they can see your videos and such items. And if you are creating a channel with some familiar titles, sometimes if people come to Telegram and search by using such titles, you will get lakhs of viewers. For example, if you create a channel on education, and if there are not enough channels, or if there are no other channel on education, people will come there and just search by typing education, then they will reach your channel, you will get more viewers. So these are some advantages you get, you enjoy when you use Telegram in your Android phone. Now let me show you how to install and use Telegram in your phone. And before that, one more advantage is there. If you want to use WhatsApp on desktop, actually you have to scan a QR code. But if you want to use Telegram on desktop, there is nothing. Just open the Telegram desktop app and just type your number there. Then they will send a code to your Telegram app in your mobile phone, and you have to just enter that code on the desktop app. This is again something important, because when we are scanning, if there is no light, or if there is some problems in our mobile screen or the scan app, then sometimes it is very difficult to open WhatsApp or desktop. So these are some advantages which we can get by using Telegram. So I will just let you know how to install and use Telegram in your Android app. Please come with me. You just search for Play Store. And on Play Store, you will see a search space. Just search Telegram. Then you will see this icon, a beautiful icon. It's Telegram. So just install it in your phone. If you have got a better internet connection, then it will be off within minutes, or 2 or 3 minutes. So now it has been installed in my phone. Now just click on open. Yes, you will see this page, Telegram, the world's fastest messaging app. Is free and simple. Then you will see this one, start messaging. Just click on start messaging. So you will see in here, then you will see a space for entering your phone number. So you can just enter your phone number there. I'm going to enter my phone number. Before that you have to allow. Okay, just allow Telegram to make and manage phone calls. Then just enter your phone number. I enter 8903 786 666. Then just click on this icon. Okay, this forward icon, just click on that. Please allow Telegram to read the call log so that we can automatically enter your call for you. Okay. And this is just for, actually they will send a call and you have to go to the message box, and you have to select the code, and you have to paste that code where they are giving a space for entering the code. But if you just click on OK, Telegram will automatically read the code, the OTP, sorry, the one-time password. Then it will be entered by themselves. So it is very so easier for us. So just click on OK. Allow Telegram to access to your phone call logs. Allow. So they will make a call on your phone. So it's okay because I have got a call, a ring on my phone. So they have got a call on my phone. So they have verified that it's my number. So now we have to enter our names. So I enter my first name here, Hatip. Then second name, last name, KK. Then just click on the forward icon. So you have become a Telegram user. Very, very, very simple. Now I may show you how to use Telegram. Actually, in my phone, I had already installed Telegram 10. You would also better install Telegram 10 instead of Telegram. Telegram 10 is a better version, a modified version of Telegram. So you just open your Telegram app in your phone, Telegram 10 app. This is Telegram 10 app. So you will see this one. Yes, I have already installed this one. There are different groups, and you can see an icon here, a picture of a small pencil, a pencil icon in a circle you can see here. Just click on that, then you will see these options. New chat. That means you can just click here and you can make a chat with a friend. And there is something called secret chat. This secret chat is something secure for you. It is not like the individual chat, but it's the secret chat. The chat will be seen by only the users. That is secret chat. Then you can see the second one, new group. By clicking here, you can create a group and you can add about 2 lakh members in the group. Then you see new channel. Here you can click and you can create a new channel. So I'm going to create a new group here. Just click on new group. And for my first semester students, I have to create 2 Telegram groups, one for contemporary Indian education and another for language across curriculum. So I have seen some of my first semester students of 2020-22 have joined Telegram because I have got a message. Whenever a contact in your phone joins Telegram, then you will get a message on Telegram that this particular person has joined. So I just search. So I first see Anit Susan. Anit Susan 2020-22. She's my new student of first semester 2020-22 batch. I just click on her name. Then I click on forward button. So she is added in this group. Then I'm going to type the group name title, that is contemporary India and education 2020-22. So actually the maximum number of characters have reached. So I'm not able to type more. So I may just use an abbreviation. CIE, that is Contemporary India and Education 2020-22 batch. So this is my new group. Then just click on this tick mark. The group is created. So you can just click here and start adding members. See here, add members. This is how we create group. Then just click here, and if you want to create a new channel, just click here. Then channel name, then description of the channel, then the profile picture, the banner of the channel, and all these things you can create there. So this is how we make use of Telegram. I feel that you have got an idea on how to install and use Telegram in your Android phone. Thank you.